guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have May's Manifestation Box and May's Mother Earth Wrap Club by Gogh Jewelry Design. Do you want to know what's in my boxes? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the Manifestation Box and the Mother Earth Wrap Club for May 2023 just arrived. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me both of your boxes to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys know, I absolutely love this subscription service. I'm loving all of their jewelry, the bracelets, the wraps, the necklaces, like everything about this, I'm absolutely loving. I'm normally wearing their jewelry every single day. I literally have it all like laid out in like this little display. And every day when I'm done getting ready, whatever I'm wearing, I look to see what matches and I grab 1, 2, 3, however my little heart desires, I grab and wear for the day. And I absolutely love them. At first, when I was first getting this subscription box sent to me, I was like being so careful with them, taking them off when I was doing like washing my hands or doing dishes or taking a shower. And then the owner told me, no, you can do pretty much anything that you want and you know they will be okay. She makes them so well that nothing has ever happened to them. She's like, you can shower, you can yoga, you can do your normal daily, everything you need to do wearing all of her jewelry pieces. So after that, I don't take them off until I come home at night and I'm done for the day. But I do definitely keep them on when I'm doing anything. Washing my dishes, cooking dinner, doing anything like that, I leave them on and I absolutely love them. So let's go ahead and dive into the Manifestation Box. With this one, you get a bracelet, a necklace, a healing crystal, you have your astrology for your own zodiac sign, and then you get 2 meditation cards. So let's go ahead and dive in and see everything that's inside. I absolutely love the box and that image. I love the colors and I just like how that looks, simple and sweet. So let's cut this open so we can get inside. There we go. So that's what it looks like when you first open the box. Ooh, look at that sticker, you guys. So pretty. She always puts a really cool sticker on it. It's just like a little touch that just means a lot, and I absolutely love it. And that is actually super beautiful. I love that blue. And then on the card, it says, Tracy, I hope this box brings you a spark of magic in your overpacked life and helps you enjoy the little things. Much love, Gogh Jewelry Design. So let's go ahead and see what we have for this month. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you the paperwork and stuff first, and then we'll dive into the jewelry. So this would be the meditation cards. You do always get 2 of them. You can gift it to another or keep them for yourself, whichever, but they do give you 2. So you can keep one and gift one if you would like. So this is this month. Ooh, look at how beautiful that image is. Your spark can become a flame and change everything. Oh my gosh, that literally just gave me like goosebumps when I read that. Your spark can become a flame and change everything. Yeah, your little tiny spark can blow the whole thing down if you want. Huff and puff and blow the whole thing down. Holy moly, that's awesome. I love that saying. I really do like that. So then you have your paper of what we're working for this month, and that would be to ignite your spark. So you have this whole form that you can sit down and read. This is what we would be practicing for this month. And then I have my astrology for May 2023 for Scorpio, because that is my sign. So whatever you are when you do sign up, and you also get to tell them, I don't want to forget to tell you guys this, you also get to tell them the length of the necklace that you prefer and your wrist size. So this is literally custom made for you, down to the jewelry, to this actual paper that you get in there for your own astrology. It's custom made technically just for you, and I absolutely love that. So you will get your own astrology for the month. You can purchase individual items from their shop, and my code SheCrafty will get you 20% off your first box or any of their online shop items. On their online shop, you can purchase any of their bracelets, the wraps, they have necklaces, there's anklets, keychains, there's individual crystals. There's so much that they have to offer on their website. And again, SheCrafty will save you 20% off if you are interested, and they will be linked down below. So they do give you a little flyer so you can see some more of their beautiful jewelry that they have. And then down in here will be the necklace, the bracelet, and the healing crystal. So let's go with the necklace first. It comes in this cute little box that you can keep them in and store them in. And every single one that they do, they give you this card. I absolutely love these. I save these. These are a great reminder because it does have a really good image. It tells you about it. They're very user friendly. I can pretty much read every word on here. That doesn't say much, but I can pretty much read every word on here. And again, it does give you the image. So if you ever have something and you're like, what was that again? And you go back through the cards, you can pretty much match it up with how it looks, read about it, and then you'll know what that crystal is used for, intended for, that kind of thing. So again, this month we have clear quartz crystal. Let me show you the necklace. Ooh, this is gorgeous. Look at that. And for clear quartz, it says it is known as the master healer. I was gonna say something else. And will amplify energy and thought, as well as the effect of other crystals. It absorbs, stores, releases, and regulates energy. Clear quartz stimulates the immune system and brings the body into balance. So it does a whole lot of amazing things. This kind of reminds me of a little sun catcher. That is super pretty. It does have some weight to it though. So it does have a little bit of weight. Now in here is going to be the bracelet and the healing crystal. So let's see. Ooh, I haven't had anything with these like brown earth tone earthy type colors. Like there's orange and browns and tans, and that's just peaches. That is super pretty. Ooh, this is jade. So there's the card for jade. So for this bracelet, it says it's a very popular gemstone protecting universal love, health, wealth, and long life. Orange jade brings joy and teaches the interconsciousness of all beings. It is energetic and quietly stimulating, said to be a very lucky stone. Jade is associated with peace, serenity, memory, harmony, and wisdom. Beautiful. So again, there is the bracelet for this month. This is actually one of the bracelets from another box. I was wearing black and I just thought this matched perfectly with the howlite and the little bit of like the green on the top. So let's go ahead and put this one on this hand. But look at all those different colors in there. It's not just orange, like literally there's like some, it looks like kind of browns, burgundies, peaches, tans. It's just, those are beautiful colors. And again, I don't have anything like that. So I love that. And then the healing crystal for this month is jasper. Jasper is the stone of protection. It protects against negativity and aids in grounding you to the stabilizing energies of Earth. It balances yin and yang. It sustains and supports through time of stress and brings tranquility and wholeness. See, all of these just mean so much. They're great to have near you, on you at all times. So here is the healing crystal, and it is jasper, and that is what the card looks like right there. So that is everything for the manifestation box for May. You have your necklace, your bracelet, your healing crystals, and then all of your paperwork with your meditation cards. So all right, you guys, so now let's go ahead and dive into the Mother Earth Wrap Club. It comes in an envelope like this with their logo. And I'm super excited because again, I love all of their jewelry. Their wraps are just so beautiful because they're normally really shiny and sparkly and just so dainty and beautiful. So let's get this one opened. With this one, with the wrap bracelet, you do not get like the healing crystal, you don't get the necklace, you do not get the meditation cards or the astrology. For the Mother Earth Wrap Club, you just get the wrap bracelet, and then you have a little gift that could be a healing crystal, it could be a little like aromatherapy, it could be a little roller ball, it could be a little journal, it could be anything, but you do get a small little gift with the bracelet, and I love that they do add a little something for you. So let's get everything out of this box and see what we have. We got a big item for the gift item this time. They do also give you a flyer in this one that shows you some more of their wrap bracelets. Again, you can purchase them all individually, or you can snag one of these boxes at a discounted rate and get them delivered every month. You can cancel at any time that you would like. So let's go ahead and see what the little gift item is. It says, let's eat cake. Let's eat cake, yes. It's 100% soy candle, so you can't eat it, but it's probably going to smell absolutely amazing. It's Willow Collective. Keep away from flammable items, pets, and that kind of thing. So let's get this opened. I don't smell it just yet, but it's still in a in a container with some bubble wrap. So it looks like that. Cute little container. And it's a nice metal, ooh, it has even like mic on top. Oh my gosh. That smells like a birthday. It smells like icing. You can smell like vanilla icing in this thing. Like you can definitely smell birthday cake. That smells so good. And I am a huge candle hoe. I love me some candles. So anytime I see candles, I'm like, give me some more. So I'm all for a candle. That is so cool. I don't think I've seen a candle in this one yet. So I think that is super neat, and it smells absolutely amazing. So down in here is going to be the wrap bracelet. It does come in the same box with the Mother Earth wrap sticker on it. Again, you can store them in the boxes if you would like. Ooh, this one is the same jade right there. And oh my gosh, look at how gorgeous. Look at all of those colors. See, that's what I was saying, like the wrap bracelet, they're just so small and dainty and they just are gorgeous. I love them, and they have like the same colors as the bracelet here does. And then you do have a little dangle that is hanging out right there. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Let me put this over to here. Let me put this one on this wrist to show you, and then it's jade, so it's the same exact thing. All right, so that is how it looks while it is on. Look at all of those color variations. That is just so gorgeous that you get so many different color variations from that same stone. That is just gorgeous. And I love the little dangle, cute little touch on there. So there is the wrap bracelet, you guys. You have this amazing wrap bracelet and this amazing smelling candle. So now that is everything that came in the Mother Earth Wrap Club for May. All right, so now that is both of May's boxes, so you can see the difference between them. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think of the stone that they used this month? Let me know what your thoughts are down below. If you want a little bit more information about this box, I will let you know right about now. So again, I do have my code SheCrafty to save you 20% off all products and your first time subscription box. This monthly box is for everyone who wants to manifest living happy and was born of the desire to spread positivity and aid in conscious living. So for the manifestation box, that one, if you do month per month, it's $39. If you go to a 3-month plan, it'll bring it down to $36 per box. 6 months will bring it down to $34 per box, and a full 12-month prepaid plan will bring this box price down to $33 per month. If you want to know about the Mother Earth Wrap Club, and this one month to month is $39 per box. 3 months will bring it down to $36. 6 months will bring it down to $34 per box, and a full 12-month prepaid plan will bring it down to $33 per box. And again, with this one, you get the Mother Earth wrap bracelet and a small little gift. It could be anything under the sun, but you do get a small little gift with it, which I absolutely love. So again, they also do have their online shop. You can purchase anything individual, and she also does give back, and I absolutely love that. There is actually a page on their website if you would like to read all about where they give back, where she donates, and that kind of thing. But I absolutely love when a company does give back, because in shopping with them, you're helping to give back as well, and we're all helping each other. So now that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.